So here I'm going to build our own simple graph. Here I'm going to create with three nodes: input, processor, decision maker and responder. Okay, so here I'm going to create a simple LangGraph example that show input, processing and decisions here like this. I'm going to mention here input, and then we process this input, processing of this input, and then take the decisions. Okay, and then differentiate the output. Differentiate output and then end. Okay, so here from I'm going to import, I'm going to create a three graph. Okay, so you can see here exercise build a simple graph. Okay, first we are going to define the state and then create the node and then add the edges and compile and run. Okay, so here I just import from langgraph.graph, import the state graph and end. Okay, so this is like I'm going to import this state graph. State means flow of the information in the graph and end means last point. Okay, end point of the graph. Okay, so here these are the nodes. Okay, I just create nodes means simple function. Okay, so this is the first function, input process. Okay, we are going to process our input here. Okay, I pass here state means flow of the memory in the graph. Okay, state process, this is the variable name, state process. Here state process equals to state input in lowercase. Okay, and then return the state. So here you can see take the user input in this line, take the user input and remove the extra space and convert into a lowercase and return the updated state here. Okay, and then you can see here we have another node, another node that is decision maker. Another node means decision maker. Here I pass the state. Okay, so this node doesn't change the state. This node doesn't change the state. Okay, so here decision maker, this node doesn't change the state, it only exists to trigger routing decision. Okay, ये डिसीजन लेगा कि कौन सा नोड मैं यूज करूं कौन सा ना करूं, दैट्स इट. Okay, now we have another node. Okay, route underscore decision, here I pass the state. Here if length of state, so you can see here this one routing function, this is very important. Okay, check the length of process input. It is going to check the, you can see here, check the length of process input. If length of process input is greater than 10, then it return the long, otherwise it will return the short. I means go to the short answer, short node answer. Okay, go to the short answer node. If it is like long, if input is long, then it use first condition, this one. Okay, go to the long answer node. So it is going to take the decision. If length of input is greater than 10, then go to the long answer, otherwise go for the short answer node. Okay, then we have another node, long responder. So this one is for long response node. Okay, so here you can see I pass this state response here. Okay, this one is variable name state response. Okay, equals to long answer for, okay, and plus state process. So this means create the, create the detailed response. Okay, I also pass the state process here and return the state. Okay, state process response, this is the variable name state response. Here long answer for state processed. Okay, and then this is for short response. Okay, so short responder state, here create the short response. Short response equals to short, here is it is used state response, state processed. Okay, return the state. सो गाइस यहाँ पर ये शॉर्ट आंसर दे रहा है, यहाँ पर ये लॉन्ग आंसर के लिए नोड बना है, यहाँ पर डिसीजन ले रहा है कि मुझे कौन सा यूज करना चाहिए, शॉर्ट नोड, शॉर्ट आंसर, सॉरी शॉर्ट लॉन्ग रिस्पॉन्डर और शॉर्ट रिस्पॉन्डर फॉर आंसर. ठीक है, यहाँ पर डिसीजन मेकर है और यहाँ पर इनपुट प्रोसेस्ड है। दिस वन आई यूज दिस वन एवरीवेयर। स्टेट इनपुट प्रोसेस, जो यूजर की इनपुट है वो हम यहाँ पर ले रहे हैं, यहाँ पर वो चेक कर रहा है इफ यूजर इनपुट इज ग्रेटर देन वी यूज लॉन्ग ग्रेटर देन दिस, ओके, एंड देन अदरवाइज इट विल सॉर्ट, ओके। यहाँ पर भी हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिया, स्टेट प्रोसेस, जो यूजर का इनपुट है उसको यहाँ पर लॉन्ग शो कराना, और यहाँ पर भी जो यूजर का इनपुट है, यूजर इनपुट, ओके, यहाँ पर हम शॉर्ट आंसर देना, रिटर्न दी स्टेट, दैट्स इट, okay. So here after this I'm going to create graph, okay. So maybe I have code for graph. So you can see I have created one variable graph equals to state graph. Here I pass the dictionary. ये variable नहीं है guys. We can initialize graph like this. Okay. So here this is the graph object. Okay. Graph equals to state graph. Here I pass the dictionary. Okay. And now this is like here I'm building the graph, this one, okay. Now we have a nodes graph dot add nodes, okay. Here I pass input node, here I pass the input process, this one. Input process means this is our input, this is the our first node, input process. यहाँ पर हम input pass कर रहे हैं, we just pass the input here, okay. And graph dot add node, we are going to use this one, decision maker, this one, okay. So here I use decision maker, and here I pass the decide. And graph dot add node, here I use long, and this one is the function name I use here, guys. These are the function name, okay, means node name. We already use these node here, okay. Graph dot add underscore node sort, and sort underscore responder, okay. And here flow graph dot set underscore entry underscore point, I use input, this one, okay. So here is set the starting point. In starting point, what we have user input, right? Okay, so that's why I pass this input. In input we have this function input process. यहाँ पर वो user input लेगा, ठीक है, and return करेगा, that's it. And then it will decide, okay. User input लेगा, then decision लेगा, okay, by using this node decision maker. And then it will decide like I need to give long answer and I need to give short answer. It use one, okay, after decision. So here that's it, guys. Here connect the input to the decision, this one, okay. And sorry, this is the entry point, set the entry point, okay. And here I forget sorry, this one is input, and this one decision, long and short, okay. And here graph dot set entry point, this is the starting point, okay. And here graph dot ages, this is the age, guys, okay, ages. So here I pass the input and decision. So here we are going to connect this input function to the decision, okay. So connect the input to the decision, तभी तो वो decision लेगा ना, based on the input, okay. Otherwise how can take decision? So conditional routing, you can see here, this is the main brain of the LangGraph. Graph dot add conditional ages, okay. So here I pass the decide, and inside this I have route underscore decisions, okay. So first I use in graph dot conditional ages, okay. Here I use decision, this one. Where is the decision function? This one, decision maker, okay. तो यहाँ पर डिसाइड करेगा कंडीशनल एजेस से राउट डिसीजन, ओके. राउट डिसीजन, दिस वन, decision maker, okay. And then route decision, if long, if input is greater than 10, then answer should be long, otherwise it will sort, okay. So here I pass long and sort, guys. ये दो फंक्शन है ऊपर वाले जो हमने यूज किए हैं, ठीक है, decision and this one, decision maker and route decision, okay. और यहाँ पर मैंने पास किया है long and sort. Based on this it will decide that I need to give the answer short or long, that's it, okay. Then after this, final load graph. So here I need to copy from here to here, and noded and node. Okay, so final load graph, final nodes graph end here. Okay, so graph dot and add underscore ages, this is for age. Here I am going to end here. Okay, so final load graph end here. So here graph dot a add underscore ages long. Okay, if answer is long then it will end here, and graph dot ages if answer is short then also end here. ओके, सो यहाँ पर वो फाइनली नोट्स जो हैं ग्राफ एंड हो रहा है यहाँ पर, ठीक है. ओके, एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कंपाइल एफ इक्वल्स टू ग्राफ डॉट कंपाइल. Okay, compile the graph into a runnable app, and here you can see run the graph. Result equals to app dot invoke and import equals to, this is the long question, and return the print the result here. ओके गाइस, आई होप यू गॉट इट. हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया, बहुत सारे नोड बनाए, ठीक है. इनपुट नोड, डिसीजन मेकर, राउटर मेकिंग, जो लॉन्ग रिस्पॉन्स कर रहा, शॉर्ट रिस्पॉन्स कर रहा, उनके ऐड नोड को ऐड किया, कनेक्ट किया, ठीक है. एंट्री पॉइंट डिसाइड किया, ऐड किया इनपुट को डिसीजन से, देन कंडीशनल एजेस लगाएगी, कौन सी कंडीशन ले सकते हैं, लॉन्ग आंसर मिलना चाहिए, शॉर्ट आंसर मिलना चाहिए. फिर उसके बाद ग्राफ को एंड किया, देन कंपाइल किया, देन यहाँ पर रिजल्ट प्रिंट करा दिया. Okay, so what is the input? Input is, this is the long question. Okay, and process, this is the long question, and response is long answer for, this is the long question. So this is the answer, guys. Okay guys, so this is for example, nothing else. You can improve this later. Okay, so here you can see this graph takes the input and decide how to respond. Okay, this one input node take the user input, clean it and remove the space and lowercase. Okay, and this one is decision node, check the input length and decide the route. Okay, decide the route, that routing, this is the routing function. If input is long, go to the long response, and if input is short, go to the short response. Okay, okay, response node, long responder means detail answer, short responder means short answer, that's it, this one. Okay, and I use and this one, and means graph stop here. Okay, so this is our graph, and the flow of this input, process, then decide, then branch, and we got output here. Okay, so this is the summary. Node means function that process state, age means control flow. Okay, and state means share memory. मैं बहुत बार state use करी हूँ, means share memory. Conditional means branching logic, and loop means iterative and process. Guys, this is simple. Okay, so this is the simple graph we can build like this. First we need to create node. Okay, then we add node and create the graph, set the entry point and decide, connect input with the decide. Okay, then use conditional edges, and then end the graph and compile the graph and get the result here and print the result. That's it, guys.